Nag-smile na siya, oh. Smile man dahil ka. Ay, sleepy si ate. Sleeping. Oh, kulong sleeping. Good job. Ay, sleeping po ka? We are going to... Where are we going, Zyler? We're going to Eden. Today is February 14. Happy Valentine's Day! And tomorrow we will also go to Discovery Samal for lunch only. Lunch only! Hi, Te! Where are your flowers? Isa nag-give. Si Granny, nag-give po ka flowers ka, Granny. Ko nakabalo si Tyler mag-inom ng straw. Ay, sa straw. Mag-inom ng straw. Saan mo ang room, ma'am? Asa yung naging mo?
Sa breakfast, ma'am, good for 6 a.m. until 9 po, ma'am. And then sa fishing po, free entrance only, additional na po. If may makatch na fish, then ipaluto po nila, ma'am. Open sila 8 to 5, nagka-cut off sila sa order by 3:30 sa hapon po. And then sa pool, multiple entry, 8 to 4 open po yung pool, ma'am. And then sa dinner, yung rate po, 980, dahil 217 po sa restaurant, magpabook kayo before 5 po, ma'am.
Okay. Per special rate ni siya, ma'am, no?
Yes,
Kaya na
po.
atay Valentine's Day today. Pero kung regular days po,
Ito po yung regular rate po, ma'am.
Okay.
Sa adult, 450, din sa free, 300. Then may senior discount din po kami, ma'am. 300.
21. Okay.
Then, sa ano po, ma'am, if ever may mga concern sa room, pwede kayo maka-direct call dito sa front office para mapuntahan kayo ng staff po, ma'am.
Okay.
Dial 0 na lang po or sa mobile number po, ma'am.
Okay. Like, for example, if magpasundo ng shuttle, ma'am,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Ito din po. Magtawag lang kayo sa front office po.
Thank you so much po.
Pwede na kayo mag-check-in,
Ay,
ma'am.
kani po dahil, ma'am, pwede ko pa explain na lang din po ng packages. Okay, ma'am. Dito po.
So, if detour package ang i-avail po, ma'am, magpili lang kayo dito po, ma'am. Either lunch, plated, or fishing, ma'am. Yung fishing is consumable po siya, ma'am.
Okay.
And then, nandito din po yung mga rate ng rides po, ma'am. Kung anong gusto nyo pong sakay po. Then, yung sa room po, ito yung mga rate din po sa room.
Na free breakfast
Yes,
siya.
with free breakfast na din po siya, ma'am. And then, sa mga family cottage po, yung Villa 1 and 2, pwede lang po magdala ng pagkain. May oven po doon, ma'am. Pero sa La Cabin and Barge, pwede po kayo magdala ng pagkain at magluto po doon, ma'am. Then, siyang 1, ma'am, may free breakfast na siya po na 6 po, ma'am.
Alright. Thank you so much po. Isa-isa pa, Asa mo ang bed? You choose. You
Yung dirty shoes na.
Choose asa mo gusto na bed. Diha ka?
Wait, I'm gonna see us snuggie.
Sa ka gusto?
What's that?
Uy!
Checking on us. Smart girl, big guy.
Later na.
Taylor.
Big guy. Okay.
This is the Camellia room number 10. It has 4 beds, 4 single beds. And yung CR niya is like this. Yung washroom, it's actually spacious with, of course, bath towels and hot and cold shower. And they also have free toiletries. And this room has a butchukoy. This room has ayan, free coffee and free water bottles, a big mirror, and they also have a Bible.
Yes, I'm reading the Bible. Ready?
So we're going to spend overnight here.
Yes.
After na mo karon mag-check-in kay mag-adto mi sa fishing village. We're gonna try fishing for the first time and then eat our lunch there.
I love.
Shuttles are actually free pag mag-book mo diri. Overnight stay.
Hindi mo ano ka. Ah, sige, diretso sa baba din. Oh, sa baba, sige, diretso na.
Ay, pana.
Picture ka dyan.
Duha.
Anay, subong si Lola pirmi.
Unsa luto ng tilapia na?
Linis lang daw. Hindi mo na pala.
Our orders are here. Saan ni siya, Dad? Pork chop, sinigang na, bangus. Yum, iobrig na, dude. Sinigang na bangus, kalami. And fried hito. Let's eat!
Nag-cook lang ang fishing mo. Sarap mo ang fish.
So guys, let's eat guys. Tayo po ng hito. Hito bells.
Sir. Excuse me. Ako nagkuha, Ana.
Sa? Yeah. Oh, oh.
Well,
Yes. Sure.
Sarap eat lang ka, okay?
After lunch kay mag tour men.
where?
There. Eden. Magsakay tag shuttle and then i-tour around. Daddy. We are back here sa amo ang room and then share lang nako ang total bill. We ordered sinigang na bangus, pork chop, and rice. Plus soft drinks. And then apod mi duha ka na-catch nga hito. Ay, duha ka na-catch nga tilapia and isa ka na-catch nga hito. So total bill is 2,058. So, ang tilapia was, saan siya? 0.9 lagi. So, that means 0.9 grams. 0.9 grams to siya, Dad. So, that's 360 pesos. Yes, kay per ang yahang 1 kilo is 400. Nakabutang din. And then, ang hito is 620 per kilo. Pero, ang amuang hito is 0.9 lang siya. So, ay, dili. Duha ka buok siya. So, 0.75. Ay, dili. Wala mo gud utang diri ba. But ang hito namo is 558 katong mga live. And then after, nagitapad lang namo ang beds para dili mahulog na bata. So, what? Pero namin diri sa room kay para mag quick rest and freshen up lang kay mag tour me by 3 p.m.
We'll just call your name for the assigned seats.
Good afternoon. Ngayong hapon, Bisaya lang ba na? Ay, may Tagalog pala. Sige po. Ayan. So, mabuhay ang Maria po. So, welcome to the Nature Park and Resort. So, by the way, I'm Maria, your guide. And our driver is KM Card. And we'll also be a breakfast of the So, we're going to stay there for the picture taking. So, usually 45 minutes to an hour. So, may tatlong stopover. And every stopover will give you time para mag-picture taking. Yung mga hands at so, asod na po siya, bawal na siya, ibalik. Baka lumutan yung dear to your name, please, sa Tagalog, Dina and Bisaya. Dina, sa mga dear po, yan hindi po yan something. So, again, para ito, use chemicals or pesticides, all of that is organic. And also, hindi po siya ginagamitan ng lupa, it's at least the coconut husk of Padres one, or hindi po sabunod, the one that tolerates on the lettuce. So, we have here those lettuce. Yan. Yung mga waiter dyan po nililitin nila.
We are now here sa famous rainbow ng Eden. So magpicture-picture lang sa with ano po name sir?
Jeffrey po.
Hi sir. Alright.
Familiar.
Yes, we've been here before. First stops tour is ang flower garden. There are a lot of varieties of flowers here, both locally grown and yung parang mga import.
Dito po muna tayo bago pa sa...
Sige po. Ay, sorry ma'am. Ayan, trivia. This flower is called belly button.
Belly button. Belly button.
Mas light yun di Aisha. Okay, kananay nag-wait. Hoy, Zayler! So, this is actually the Tinubdan. Muna siya ang marag tribute nila para sa mga indigenous people na mga heritage and cultural diversity characteristics din sa Mindanao.
I-off kaya siya. Hindi ko gani alam pag-off. Wala pa kami dito. Anak ni siya. Long term.
Kay sir, smile kay sir.
Picture. Oh yeah. Yun. Oh.
Po siya na resort sa Samar. On your right is our herbs and spices. So we use
Dito po sa Kalabaw.
Ay, sige. Gusto ko siyang kalabaw na pod. Kalabaw na pod mo, guys.
Diri mi nakato nila ako ikon sa ulo.
Nagsakay yun. O, diri ka sa front eh. No na. Ay, magsakay.
Hulog ka di oh. Layo kayo. Go right.
and the group hug po, yakap kaya. Yakap, hug and hug. Ready, your smile here. Look here. Here. Kuya, dito tingin. Hi. O, video tayo. Wait lang. Sige, sige, go. 1, 2, and 3. Wait lang. Bye-bye. Very good. Oh, one more. Oh, wacky, wacky. Ito, wacky pulse. Wacky, wacky. Wacky, pogi, pogi. Yes. Another one. Facing each other. High five. Up here, up here, up here. A group hug, group hug, group hug, group hug. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. Everybody flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Money rin. Hi, money. Wow.
Na! Thank you, sir.
Dirty na yung pants.
Hi!
Dirty ka na, di mo. Tahi sa pants.
Ay, sa karato. Ano mga photos. Tyler. Aww.
No, it's not the food. It's not the food. It's not the food, no. Buy lang.
Overlooking siya sa Davao. Playground. Playtime. Excited na. Excited na. Yan. So the tour has ended. Ka-zoom ba? Tama ba ni? Ayan. And then, it was actually informative. Mag-isod ko catch up sa mga details, but kudos to our tour guide and her assistant because how'd kayo?
Kabalo ka? Kabalo ka?
Yes. I'm going down.
It was really informative. So, sulit kaayo. Daghan actually og activities that you can enjoy when you visit Eden. Diba? So, I'm just so happy nga nabalik na ang iyang mga activities din hikay. I could remember during the pandemic or even after the pandemic, 1 to 2 years after the pandemic, daghang mga activities ang na temporary stop because of course, 'di ba? They need to abide by the law. But now, nabalik na and daghang kayong tao today. Like I feel na fully booked sila. Yes, fully booked sila today. That's it. So, motto first is you can do fishing sa fishing village, and then next you can have the tour, and then you can also go dito sa Atbang para sa rides. Separate bayad na siya. And then now we are here sa playground area para malingaw ang kids, mahurot ilang energy just before dinner. Yan. Balik kami here! Balik! Balik! Hey! Naluwa na ni balik.
Mami,
Yes.
Slide, dali to slide, small slide.
Uy, dili. Kaya ka dira?
Small slide eh. Gunit eh. Tabangan ako sa
Small slide. Asa?
Saka tayo sa beach din yung baba din natin. Small slide mo
Tip. Yung shush. Charot.
Dad! Tangkalo ko! Ayan ang slide! Daddy, dito,
Sige, te. Sabay na.
Ay, wait lang.
Sabay na.
Wala pa ha?
Hold tight ha.
Go! Going back to... Going back to Honolulu just to get that... Stop the time! Stop that! Ay! Again. Ayaw ba? Hulati ko! Ma, nag-spinning lang ko! Sige, stop! No. No.
Dito na tayo daddy din.
No.
Sige.
Diha oh. Sit down diha, Zyler.
Guys, look at me, oh! Look at me! Guys, look at me!
Careful.
Just to get that. Wait, wanna ride?
Asa to, Zyler? Oh, tapad.
In the hole!
Mag-hold man po si ate.
I'm holding you.
Okay. Mahulog ka. Hoy!
Careful, what's your...
Diyos ko.
Hold on, hold on. Yes, I know how to do it. Let's start again. Start again? Yes. Wait. Stop. Can we swap, mommy?
Why? Mas gusto ba ko ah?
Yes. I want to swap.
Wait lang.
Stop, let's wait.
Gusto ba di ako?
Wait, wala pa, wala. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, wala pa. Go! I'm up there.
Straight yung mga legs ko.
Ay. It will die.
Come here. You want to sit down? Come here. Magsinta.
Pagilay, matumba ka ba?
Water? Water isa. Water isa. Hindi na kabalo diha, uy. Lock sa ako madadaan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We're back in the room.
Pogi eyes.
With pogi eyes ka. Do you like the food? Do you like the food?
Yes.
Yes. Is it masarap? Lami?
Yes.
Lami. Mag-sleep na. Time to sleep now. Good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Go again.
The morning. The morning.
Breakfast time, and these are all the food for today's buffet. What do you want?
I want the visa.
Chorizo! Hey, te! Si ate lang naghukad. Thank you, ate!
I want the visa.
Chorizo.
This one.
Okay.
Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch
Chorizo and... Yummy? Napod ata sila yung hot choco dito sa iwan. Okay. I will pagbalik ni Daddy para... Zyler. Zyler, oh. Wala. Full breeze lang siya. I want chorizo daw. May ganit chorizo.
Spray mo?
Wala.
Spray. Daddy lang. With your chorizo. Well, no.
Bye. Hello.
Oh, hello dito. Hello.
Magkuha daw ko ani Zyler. Kanang ayan na. Konti at choco.
Choco, mommy.
Get mo si mami si mo.
Bye, Eden!
Eden. Bye-bye, Eden.
Kumusta inyong stay, guys?
Good.
Good? You like it here? Why?
Because it's funny here.
What do you like most?
The playground. Playground. Playground.
Ikaw, Dad, isa yung pinakaganahan doon eh.
Food.
Food? Tinood mo ang food.
Stay.
Yes, tanan. Thank you, Eden. OG laaganan gid sa Davao. Ay, kabalo na day ko dad. Nakastay na ta sa Camellia. Nakastay na ta sa Holiday. Ay, no. Mountain Vista.
Nasaan niya? Dito.
Oo. Mountain Vista. Katugong honeymoon room nila. Itong buntis ko. Kalimot na ka. Nakakate, uban kate. And then, katong sa baba pod. Itong sa baba Holiday. Alaon na is mas. So, tanan rooms. Okay siya. Pero akong pinakaganahan kay katong honeymoon room nila kay murag spacious kaayo. And then, naay sala-sala. Until next time, Eden. Shangri-La na punta po na room. Shangri-La na room. But, ayan. Tama si Daddy, lami ang food. And ang coffee, lami ang ato. Oy, wala na ako nag-add og sugar and creamer. The best ang brewed coffee nila. So now, we are heading to... Where are we going, guys? We're going to...
Discovery Samal.
Asa Zyler?
Samal. Discovery Samal.
See you at Discovery Samal! Thank you. Hello! We are now here sa ato ang second stop for our Valentine's family bonding. We will be going to Discovery Samal. We will be having our lunch there sa Ilahang Morning Catch restaurant. It's going to be our first time in Discovery Samal and I am very excited. I-manifest lang ako na siya and it's going to happen. It's anytime soon. So, 11 a.m. ang schedule sa boat. We are just here sa ilang waiting area sa Davao na puntahan dyan. Parang pantalan nila dito sa Davao. So, naglag lang tayo. 11 a.m. ang first schedule for boat padulong dito sa Discovery. What are you playing? What is that, Zyler? It's a Zyler! Sleepy na po siya, oh. Butchok. Ate. Daddy.
Mahulog ka diya. Mahulog ka dito.
Zyler, pag-drive na, Zyler.
Drive na. Ay, ate na pag mag-drive. I wanna drive.
Yes. Let's sit here. Malibog na sa camera. We're going to ride this
Speedboat.
speedboat. Oh, watch your step. Watch your step.
I wanna...
Good morning. Good morning. Sige, go inside, ate. Watch your step, ate. Alright. Good morning. Sige, find a seat na, my love. Yeah, we can sit here. Or you want here sa second? First? Here, here. Diyan mo, daddy. Diyan mo sa first.
No, ako sa window seat.
Sige, diyan mo, dad. Gibaktas lang na mo gikan dito sa pagbaba sa Asa to? Sa speedboat. Ibaktas lang ako kadulong hanggang diri sa restaurant. Doon lang man. Kaso kailangan lang yun og kalo or payo. Kay init.
Pangit.
So, balas. Thank you. What is this po?
Pomelo juice po.
Pomelo juice. Thank you so much. Sir. Pomelo juice, kids.
Okay, okay.
Lami? You want towel? Hold on pa ha. Towel. Wet towel. Let's go sa side. Drop ko sa face because it's hot. Thank you. Ayun, ako na. Bukog. As a morning catch. Or a morning catch. Sugar ko lang. Tamis na kayo?
Ilang na kayo. Ilang. Ito lang ako ang...
Tamis ba yan din mo ang ganahan ko?
Sagit pa ha. Huwag mahulog yung mga tilaw-tilaw yung nagdaan. Busog pa kayo.
Need more shrimp.
Shrimp? Paano ka?
Thank you.
din, oh. Sabi ko.
Tia?
Yeah. I like it because dili ka ulaw sa inyong sa maulam. Okay. Una.
How about this one thing? Na naipalit na daan. Try na rin. Crispy shrimp, wala shrimp, nagibot na nag-coated. Doon na napanit oh.
Like that one?
Amin lang shrimp. Crispy shrimp yun. Tawag.
Shrimp? Asa? Kani?
Kaya naman na may ating yun, mga payat-palit kaya.
Ano juga nagawin sa mga kaandad? Thank you. Thank you, Mai.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome. Wait lang to.
Hello, Mami. Ano naman? Maulaw si Daddy.
Hindi mo siya maano.
Okay naman.
Okay lang. That is proud.
Now, I'm having my chamomile tea. Busog na kayo. Igang. May muling ko dapit sa glass kay Igang. But this chamomile tea is so good. Kaya para mahilis-hilisan ka. Ang kids and si daddy naa sila dito sa seaside. Bakas-bakas. So good. Favorite na ako kay ang ube cheesecake and the mango bravo. Tapos ang Hainanese chicken. I've tried the Peking duck but I don't know if ingana jud ang texture kanang medyo isa siya. It tastes like chicken but it's kind of dry for my liking. And nag-anticipate ko nga crispy ang iyahang panit. But no. Pero tanan, like tanan desserts, lami kaayo ilang tanan desserts. Lami kaayo. Cha-cha. Desserts. Wag kanimong view. Sa sand.
Hi. Hi. We're planting.
Tyler!
Lo, ato sa ice.
No, I like it.
Oh, hinay lang.
Remove your hand first. Gonna put the...
Sunod na po na sa mata mo.
How about?
Hi, sir.
On the
Mag-relax sila karong weekend.
Kailangan mag-secure boat pass kung padulong pauli sa Davao.
Hindi kami
Subscribe ba tayo?
nag-ato tayo ng bus. Nag-ato tayo ng bus. 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 Story time. One time, nag-ato sa Strawberry Sama. Of course, we're already here. Nga, nagdula tayo sa sun. Later, nag-plant ko og fruits. Nga, plant lang. Nag-dig pa dito sa sun para mag-find something. But I only found one thing. It's like a tube thing. I left it there. Okay, so yeah. It's color yellow. Bye!